Hi there, students. Stationery and stationery. Yes, so both of these two words are pronounced in exactly the same way. Okay, stationery with an E, an uncountable noun. The things you need for writing: pens, paper, pencils, yeah? A stationery shop, a stationer's. This is E-R-Y, okay? A stationery shop, yeah? Business stationery, personal stationery. I think nowadays stationery is a very difficult thing to sell because of internet and computers, but from time to time we need files for real pieces of paper and things like that. But stationery is something that's going to disappear, I think, over time. And then stationery with an A is something that is not moving, something that is not changing. Again, in this case, stationery is an adjective. So stationery with an E is a noun, an uncountable noun. Whereas stationery with an A is an adjective. It says something is not moving, it's not changing. So the traffic was stationary. The situation is stationary. Nothing has changed. Okay, he's still not moving a muscle, not changing. House prices have been stationary for the last couple of months. That's quite unusual, really. Okay, so not moving, not intended to be moved. He crashed into a stationary vehicle. Yeah, something that's not changing in quality. It's unchanging, unvariable, constant, uniform. Yeah, so a stationary population. They don't move about. They stay where they are. Stationery with an E, pens, papers, letters, usually things for writing, yeah, with an E. Stationery with an A, fixed at a station, immobile, unchanging in condition, yeah. So you put the stationery in the stationery cupboard when you bought it from the stationers, yeah, the things for writing. I think at schools they still use stationery. Mind you, in the world of computers, the piece of stationery that we still need is paper. Yeah, paper to go in the printer. And then stationery, not moving. A stationary exercise bike. Have you got a stationary bike at home where you do your exercises? Or a satellite is in a geostationary orbit. It's over a fixed point in the of the world. The stationary cars in the traffic jam are really annoying, motionless, at a standstill, not going anywhere. Yeah, not moving, showing no change. Yeah. Okay. So stationary, unchanging. Yeah. The train was stationary for a couple of minutes. Maybe also something that's stationary is incapable of being changed, or it's unchanging, it's fixed, mobile, stock still, immobile, unmovable, immutable, changeless, unchanging. Yeah. Yeah. So stationary, not changing. Let's see. Stationery as with an E, as in pens and papers. Formality. I guess I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think it's probably one of these words that's on its way out due to computers and computing. Stationery with an A, not moving as an adjective. This is a 5 in formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, so stationary without moving, from Latin statio, from stow, to stand in position. So standing in a stationary position, not moving. And okay, the writing material comes from a stationer, from medieval Latin, stationarius, a bookseller who had a fixed position, particularly in universities. So it's somebody with a bookstall selling books at a university, but that's from medieval times. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stationery and stationery. E for paper, A for not moving.